Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something a lot of people have been curious about Xfinity Mobile. Yep, the sales service from Xfinity, the same company that's probably got your internet covered. So, what's the deal with Xfinity Mobile? Let's dive in and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Alright, so first thing first, what is Xfinity Mobile? Basically, it's a mobile phone service from Comcast, which is the parent company of Xfinity. It's designed exclusively for Xfinity Internet customers. So, if you already use Xfinity for your internet, you can add their mobile service and potentially save a bunch on your phone bill. Now you are probably wondering about coverage. Xfinity Mobile actually runs on Verizon's network. Yep, it's the name Verizon that's famous for its strong coverage across the US, and the cool part, Xfinity Mobile automatically connects you to millions of Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. So if you are in an area with Xfinity Wi-Fi, your phone will use that network instead of data operator net, right? And Xfinity Mobile's plans are super straightforward. There are two main options, by the gig and unlimited. So I think I can show you them on build your button here. Yeah, as you see, there are plans. One of them is featured deals, and yeah, as you see, there are internet deals here. They are $30 per month, and also I think the other one is here. Yep, like that. Yeah, so and there's the types of different deals here. And one question a lot of people ask is, can I use my current phone with Xfinity Mobile? The answer is yes, as long as it's compatible. They also sell a range of phones on their websites if you are looking to upgrade, including the latest iPhones and Samsungs. You can even finance a device through them if you want to spread out the payments. And so, yeah, should you consider Xfinity Mobile? If you are already an Xfinity Internet customer and you want solid coverage at a decent price, it's definitely worth a look. Just wait out and the pros and cons based on your data needs and see if it fits. Alright, that's it for today. Drop a comment below if you have tried Xfinity Mobile or if you are thinking about making the switch. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. See you.